Jared, you talked about being on the other side of things. As someone who's been on that side, what questions would you be asking yourself to see if an MSP is right for you?
Yeah, so my background's been, of course, doing engineering work, but also in a bit of a manufacturing management role as well. I think what I would ask is, who's managing your engineering software? Is it somebody who has the expertise that is required to make sure it's running optimally? And then the other thing is, I can't tell you how many times I've ran into situations where we've got engineers getting pulled away from doing engineering work, and they're doing the admin type of work instead, which is, secondary kind of role. I get it. A lot of people wear multiple hats, but if other options are available to have solution experts knock that out for you, I think that's an important one to ask. And then finally, I would ask, and you can reflect on this one a good bit, are you proactively preventing problems, or are you dealing with the ramifications of being reactive and just dealing with the downtime?
Okay. And, if I'm asking myself all these things and this is sounding good to me, Michael, what are my next steps in implementing an MSP?
So that's easy. Just reach out to us, right? So we'll have contact information available. There's a website or a web page on our website that's available for you to reach out and submit for information. If you know who your account rep is at MLC, reach out to them. Feel free really to reach out to any of us. This is a program that we're really looking forward to as far as engaging with a lot more of our customers. I go back to the proactive versus, reactive. We really want our customers not to get in a bind or get in a crunch, and then all of a sudden they're panicking because they've got a deadline to hit, or that they've got a project that's due. Right? We want to be with you through that time so that we can help identify maybe those bottlenecks. Maybe we can identify what might be slowing you down or making you less efficient. So reach out to us. You can do it via email, via the website. You can call us. It doesn't matter. Reach out to us, and just whoever you speak to, let them know that you're interested in discussing an MSP with someone.